Imagine the early days of personal computing when discovering, installing, or selling software was a Wild West adventure. If you wanted a new program, you'd hunt through floppy disk bins at the electronics store, order from cryptic catalogs, or scour online forums full of questionable downloads. Developers faced an even tougher road. Finding an audience meant cutting deals with big publishers or hoping for a lucky break. The average user, meanwhile, risked their system's safety every time they tried something new. This was the world before the rise of digital app stores, the innovation that democratized access and distribution of software. The breakthrough came in 2008, when Apple launched its App Store for the iPhone. It wasn't the first attempt to centralize software, but it was the watershed moment. Suddenly, millions of people could browse, download, and update apps with a tap. For developers, barriers fell overnight. Any solo coder or small team with a good idea could reach a global audience, no publisher required. So, how did it work? At its core, an app store is a centralized marketplace, tightly integrated with the operating system. Developers submit their apps for review. Once approved, users find these apps in a curated, secure environment, with easy instant purchasing and one-click installs. Updates roll out seamlessly. Behind the scenes, systems for payments, security, and discoverability, previously the headaches of every small developer, became shared infrastructure that served millions. The App Store solved huge problems. Users no longer had to hunt for trusted sources or fear malware with every new download. Developers could focus on building great apps, not wrangling storefront deals or fighting software piracy. Billing, global distribution, and analytics came out of the box. Most transformational of all, these stores unlocked brand new economic models, think in-app purchases or freemium pricing, and enabled entire categories of applications that never would have existed otherwise. Once Apple proved the model, everyone followed. Google's Play Store arrived, followed by Windows Store, Mac App Store, and the Chrome Web Store. The concept rapidly swept from mobile to desktop and beyond. Startups and independent creators flourished. The mix led directly to the explosion of the mobile-first internet and the birth of app-based economies. Famous companies started in dorm rooms or garages now had an immediate global platform. But the influences didn't end there. App stores have shaped the way we think about privacy, security, and even the economics of software creation. They standardized software quality, deployment, and updates. For better or worse, the shift also centralized power, sparking new debates over platform policies and gatekeeping. Yet, despite controversies, the App Store revolution is indisputable. It collapsed walls, nurtured creativity, and delivered billions of applications to fingertips worldwide. Today, we can scarcely imagine a world without app stores. Their legacy isn't just a handful of major tech companies, but the everyday empowerment of creators and users. By transforming how software is found, installed, and monetized, they opened an